Everybody knows infrared and microwave. Terahertz? Never heard about that. Terahertz is a member of the electromagnetic spectrum family. Infrared and microwave are his brothers. In the past, few people know about terahertz, but now he's getting more and more famous. He's thought to be one of the 10 emerging technologies that can change the future world. In nature environment, terahertz waves are everywhere. Humans, animals, plants in different intensity. We cannot see terahertz waves by our eyes, but advanced equipment can, such as passive terahertz body detector. It captures the weak terahertz waves and makes a terahertz image. People's belongings will block the terahertz waves emitted from their bodies, and thus a shadow is formed on the image. So, the security inspector would know it's time to do the recheck. Concerned about the privacy? Actually, terahertz images only show the outline of a person. No need to worry at all. Such high technology makes security check no longer a hard nut to crack. Terahertz security check, with the features of radiation-free, real-time imaging, contactless, and non-invasive, improves the efficiency and experience of security check.